So on this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments problem. If you have any sort of problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode, disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it. Go back to the settings on your phone, scroll, go to the apps manager, click on the apps, wait a few seconds, it will start loading as you can see. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram, click on it, click on this option, it's called force stop, go to the power usage details, and then go to the app launch. Make sure that this option is enabled, turn it off and on, go down here, click on force stop, and that's it. Click here again on force stop if it's available, and that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.